Patent lawyers versus intellectual property consultants. Which one is better for protecting inventions? If you've created a new invention, protecting it is crucial. Most inventors get this wrong by assuming any professional can handle all aspects of protection. The surprising truth is that patent lawyers and intellectual property consultants offer different services, and choosing the right one can determine how well your invention is safeguarded. Patent lawyers are legally qualified attorneys who specialize in obtaining patents. They have the authority to file patent applications, respond to office actions, and represent clients in legal disputes. Their expertise is critical if your invention has commercial value or you anticipate defending it in court. For example, tech startups developing innovative software or hardware products often rely on patent lawyers to secure enforceable rights and avoid costly litigation. Intellectual property consultants, on the other hand, provide advisory services. They guide inventors on a strategy, conduct prior art searches, and help assess the commercial potential of an invention. They may assist with patent filing preparation, but cannot represent you in court or practice law. For inventors exploring options or seeking cost-effective advice on a strategy, consultants offer valuable insights without the legal fees associated with patent attorneys. So, which is better for protecting inventions? If your goal is enforceable legal protection and you anticipate commercialization, a patent lawyer is essential. If you're in the early stages, researching your market or evaluating the IP landscape, an IP consultant can provide strategic guidance before committing to the full patent process. The key takeaway is that both roles complement each other. Early-stage inventors often start with a consultant for strategy, then engage a patent lawyer to secure and enforce rights. Understanding the distinction ensures your invention is not only protected, but also positioned for success in the marketplace. Proper guidance can make the difference between a secured innovation and a vulnerable idea.